So amount payable to retiring partner in amount payable to retiring partner. For determining amount payable, either retiring partner capital account is prepared, or we can prepare a statement in which following items are added or subtracted from his capital balance. Means there is two methods by which we can calculate amount payable to retiring partner. The first one is prepare capital account, just capital account. You will write all the items on the credit side or debit side, then it will be easily calculated that how much amount we have to pay to our retiring partner. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The second is by preparing a statement, a simple statement we will prepare like this. We will write here capital, the amount of capital, then the items which will be added here like profit and loss account, credit balance, any reserves. Now he is a retiring partner A, so he will get share in goodwill. If there is any revaluation profit, these items will be added here. So we will add all these items here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
After that, there will be some items which will be deducted. You can see here. First, we have to add share in profit and reserves, share in firm's valued goodwill, share in revaluation profit. Yes.
Yes.
And so these three items will be added, and share in accumulated loss, share in revaluation loss, existing goodwill, share. So if there is any existing goodwill, it should be deducted from the partner's capital. Yes.
Yes.
Existing goodwill is written off. So it is distributed in old profit sharing ratio between partners. So it is a type of loss, you can say. So that's why it will be deducted from retiring partners' capital.
Okay, sir.
So these things we have to add or less to calculate the retiring partners amount payable. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So now we know that how to calculate amount payable to retiring partner. Yes. Okay. So you can see in this chapter, now there is only 2 or 3 topics we have to discuss. First is the topic number 6, 7, or 8, because we have already discussed the topic 1 to 5.
Yes, sir.
We have done gaining sacrificing ratio. We have done goodwill. We have done reserves, accumulated profit or loss. We have done revaluation, and we have done right now determination of amount payable to retiring partner. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, after this, there is a concept that how, after deciding this amount, writing all these amount and deducting some amount here, and after getting the balance, how we will pay this, how we will settle this. Tell me, how we will settle this? We will pay amount at the same time, or we will delay the payment, or we will pay it in installment. What do you think?
We will pay it on the same time.
Pay at the same time?
Yes.
But what if firm don't have enough money?
We can pay it on installment, or the amount we have right now, we can give it, and the amount we don't have, we can give it later.
The thing is, we can pay in any of these methods. Whatever the question will tell us to do, we will do it. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here, settlement of amount payable to a retiring partner. Now, there can be a lump sum payment, means right now we will pay the full amount. The
Okay, sir.
second is installment payment, means we'll pay the amount in installment. There may be one more case here in lump sum payment, that we will delay the payment, but in future we will pay in one installment.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So right now we can pay the full amount, or we will delay some for some time, and we will pay the full amount in a single installment. So that's why I have written these two in lump sum payment, because these are lump sum. We can pay it right now if we have money, and in future we will wait for some time, and in future we will pay it in single installment. So both of these are single payment. That's why lump sum payment.
Okay, sir.
The second is installment payment. Now, why we will pay installment?
Maybe like if we don't have the amount, and if we have to give 1,000, so we can do like 2,000 in a week and give it.
Now, there is one rule regarding payment of partners, retiring partners amount. Now, if we have delayed the payment, so retiring partner is entitled to get interest or share in profit until his amount or until his loan is paid. Is paid to him. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So if retiring partner did not receive the interest, or sorry, did not receive his money back, then he is entitled to get interest or share in profit. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, why the retiring partner will accept installment payment? Because I told you, if he received the amount instantly, means right now, then there will be no interest, no profit share. Yes.
Yes, sir.
But if the amount payable is delayed or paid after some time, then the partner will receive
In installment payment.
the partner will receive interest on the amount payable. Yes.
Okay, sir. Interest.
Okay. So now interest rate is at the rate 6% per annum. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Actually, just 1 minute. So this is the concept of settlement. Now, journal entry for payment. Journal entry for payment. So if we pay the amount right now, what will be the journal entry?
To
Let's
be
say for instant payment. To partner to retiring. So it will be retiring partner capital account. Retiring partner capital account debit to cash. Okay.
okay, sir.
And then the second entry. Installment payment. When we have delayed the payment, when we have delayed the payment for installment or lump sum, okay, then first of all, we will transfer the partner's capital balance to loan account. For transfer of capital account balance to loan account. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So in this case, loan account will be credited because this is a liability for the firm to loan account. Or you can say to retiring partners loan account. So the entry will be retiring partner capital. Can you mute your audio? Retiring partner capital account debit to retiring partner loan account. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, first we have transferred to the loan account. Then at the time of every installment, first we have to pass this entry for installment due and for installment paid. So for installment due, it will be interest on partner's loan account debit to partner's loan account. And then for payment, it will be partner's loan account debit to cash. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So for payment of installment. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is our journal entry. You can write these journal entry. You have taken the screenshot, I think.
Yes, sir. Can you scroll up the first one? Yes, sir. Done.
This one.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. You should also take the screenshot of this. Yes.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. So after taking the screenshot, you write all the theory part in your notebook
Yes, sir. I will write it.
within 24 hours.
Yes.
Okay. So this is our concept. Now, I will share a portion with you so that you will understand the concept. There was some homework in our previous class.
Yes, sir. But actually, I think they sent a wrong one because
They sent wrong homework.
yes, sir. Because in the question it is prepare trial balance and post them in ledger.
Yes, actually, yes, I remember now. They sent you the 11th class homework and they sent the student of 11th class your homework. Okay, first of all, actually, before going to the settlement part, we need to solve this question. Actually, I have done one question from this. Yes, I think the first question or one question I have done this one. Okay, can you prepare question number 2, re-evaluation account?
Okay, sir. I'll do it.
Okay. Just Done.
Yes, sir. Almost done.
Done.
Just total answer. Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. So now, tell me the items that you have written.
On the debit side, there are plant and
All the
machinery.
items.
Yes.
Yes.
Plant and machinery, furniture, and doubtful debts.
Okay. Oh, amount along with this amount.
Plant and machinery 4,000. Furniture is 500. Doubtful debts is 1,500.
Doubtful debts.
1,500.
Okay.
And in credit side, stock is 3,750.
Okay.
Furniture building is 5,000.
Factory building.
Yeah. Factory building is 5,000.
Okay.
So on the credit side, it's 8,750.
And on the debit side, balance
It
you have
is,
calculated.
yes, it's 6,000. So I have got 2,750.
Yes. So we have actually discussed this question in our previous class. Yes.
In the previous class,
I think yes. This one. Yes. This is the same solution.
uh, I think
Okay. Now in this question, actually, I have to tell you a different thing here. So we have discussed this question. This is solved in our previous class.
okay, sir.
So you can see the solution is same.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So after this, we have prepared the capital account, and the partner who is retiring is C. Okay. And the balance of his capital account is transferred to loan account 32,125. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now let me change this situation a little bit. In today's class, we have to understand the amount payable to retiring part. So the amount payable to C is 32,000 to C is 32,125. This is transferred to his loan account. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, the question is saying to you, I'm changing the question. Question is saying to you that the firm 2,125 is paid immediately. Okay. And the balance amount will be paid in 3 equal installment. 3 equal installment along with interest. Okay. Now, in this situation, 3 equal installment means total amount payable. Total amount payable right now is 32,125.
Yes, sir.
And we have paid immediately 2,125.
Yes.
So the balance 30,000 is balance 30,000 is loan account. If
yes, sir.
32,125 is the balance and we have paid 2,125 immediately, then it will be written here to cash 2,125. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So the balance will change. It will be 30,000 now.
Yes.
Okay. So that's why we are solving the question at 30,000. So we will prepare a loan account for this 30,000. But before that, we will pass a journal entry, because there is 3 installments. So for every installment, we have to pass 2 entries. So there will be total how much entry? How many entries?
6 entries.
6 entries. So the first entry at the end of next year, it will be, I told you, when first installment due, the journal entry will be interest on loan account debit. Interest on loan account debit to loan account. Or you can say interest on partners loan account debit to partners loan. Okay.
Okay.
So in first year, the interest will be 30,000 into interest rate. I have not written at the rate 10%. Let's take. So 30,000 into 10%, it will be 3,000.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now, this amount payable is divided in 3 equal installments, that is 10,000 each. Yes.
Yes.
Plus interest. So 10,000 every installment plus interest. So in first installment, it will be 13,000. Yes or no?
Yes.
So partners loan account debit to cash account. 13,000. Now in second installment, it will be Third entry, interest on loan account debit to partners loan, again to partners loan account. Now in second year, what will be the interest amount? It will be 2000.
Sir, how?
Yes. In first year, the balance was 30,000. Yes.
Yes.
And 3,000 is the interest. 30,000 into 10%, 3,000. But we have paid how much amount?
13,000.
13,000. So 3,000 was interest. The balance is principal amount. Yes.
Yes.
So 30,000 minus 10,000. If you remove 3,000 from here, the balance will be principal 10,000. So now the balance is 20,000 only.
Okay, sir.
And the amount payable, amount paid will be how much?
It will be 12,000.
12,000. Very good. In next year, the interest will be
1,000.
1,000 because now the balance is 10,000 only. So interest will be 1,000 and this entry will be 11,000. Yes.
Yes.
So you can pass journal entry like this, and you can prepare loan account from these entry because the loan account will be divided into three parts in this case portion. First year, where you will write interest on the credit side and payment on the here, and the amount transferred 30,000 will be written from capital account. So by capital account 30,000, interest 3,000, total 33,000. Here you will write cash 13,000 and balance will be 20,000. Yes.
Yes, sir.
30,000 was the balance amount payable. 3,000 interest, 33,000. 33,000 minus 13,000, which is paid in first year. So the balance is 20,000. This balance will be written here by balance PET 20,000. Again, in second year, there will be 2,000 interest and 12,000 payment. So the balance will be 10,000. Yes.
Yes, sir.
And in third year, the balance will be 10,000 plus 1,000 and the payment will be 11,000. So balance is nil. Yes. So
Yes,
this
sir.
is how we will prepare loan account. I will solve a quotient for this, but before that, you have to try a quotient. Okay.